Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix self-service benefits URL error while running Oracle Fusion HCM Benefits AI agent. So before I show you the troubleshooting and associated fix, let's analyze how I got this error and what is happening in terms of execution of AI agent that in turn is throwing out this error. So let's go and find out. I'm going to switch on to Oracle Fusion applications. So the first thing is, as you could see, when I clicked on a self-service URL page, I'm getting this particular error. It's not loading, and I'm getting this error. And for the first initial few minutes, I thought, what's going on, and why am I getting this error at all? Although the URL looks out to be correct. So let's go back to the agent execution page. So here I am in agent execution page for the benefits analyst AI agent, and I have written a question to the agent, where can I update my enrollments? And if I come down and see, if you come down, you will see I'm getting an answer stating that you can update your benefit enrollments by visiting the benefits and service page. Here is a direct link to access and make changes to your enrollments here if you need any further assistance. So this is the link generated from the deep link that gives access to the direct link for making any changes to your enrollment. In other words, this is the self-service page for your benefits enrollment. So it shows you the current benefits that you are in, and it also shows you how you can go about updating your benefits by opting in certain optional benefits. Okay. So I'm going to take you to that page and we'll see. But you see what? As soon as I click on this particular link, I'm getting that error, the one that I shown you in the last slide. So I'm going to take you to that enrollment page anyways. So as you could see, this is the enrollment page that is supposed to load as soon as I click on that particular hyperlink. However, I'm getting the error message. So what's going on? Why am I getting this error? So after digging for a while, I've gone through the agent. So I will just go through the agent once again with you before I tell you the solution. So let's go to the agent definition. So here is the agent definition, and you see what I'm going to close this one, and you see basically it's calling this particular deep link, Oracle benefit self-service link. So I'm going to open this one in view details, and you see if I click on this, this is a tool type with a deep link, and if you see this is the tool code, and it is pointing to a deep link, which is this one. Okay, so I'm gonna query this particular deep link, and that's where I will see what link it is pointing to. So I'm going to go there. So that is the definition of the deep link. If you look into this, precisely it is pointing to this particular relative URL, FSCM UI, Redwood, benefits and service, employee benefits, and overview. So if you look at this closely, this is exactly what it is loading on in the error page. So error page also shows this, but there is something different that is shown in the error page. Let's go back to the error page and analyze there. So here is the error page. You see, this is exactly what has been loaded by the Fusion application. You see, while loading the page, it is exactly the same URL, right? Can you see that? However, at the end of it, you see there is a dot. That is what is causing the trouble. So as soon as you remove the dot and simply copy this and append it with the prefix of your application URL, then paste it on the browser, it's going to show you the self-service page for benefits enrollment. So this is exactly what I have done. So I'm going to go there. So after removing that particular dot at the end, I have simply appended it, or I would say prefixed it with the base URL and loaded it, and hence I'm getting this particular message. And I'm getting this particular page, I would say. And as you could see, it lists down all the enrollments that this current employee is in and gives optional enrollment details as well. Okay. So that's what I was looking on. So if the question is what's happening and how to troubleshoot. So if I go back to the deep link definition, the definition is absolutely correct out there. So look at this. There is no dot at the end of it. So I think it's the LLM, the calling LLM. While replying, it is appending the reply with a dot. If I go back and look at the reply, so here is the agent, and if I go back and look at the reply, right here, it is giving the reply, and it is behind this here, the URL is embedded. If I copy this like this, copy link, if I go back and analyze, I will see the dot at the end. So I'll open a notepad to see the details. So I just pasted it over here, and as you could see at the end, there is a dot that is being appended by the LLM. So if you remove this particular dot and paste this URL and prefix it with the base URL, let's say any base URL, you prefix it and paste this base URL on the browser, you will see the enrollment page as I've shown you a little while. So you see that's the enrollment page I was looking at. So this is what it's going to load as soon as you remove the dot at the end of the URL. Now, this is my way of troubleshooting. There could be other ways wherein you can remove the dot in the definition of your agent itself. But how to remove it, I just need your ideas. So feel free to comment at the end of this video below in the description. I have given you the details of this video and the course that it is associated with. So feel free to give your comments to tell me if at all there are any other ways to troubleshoot and remove this particular dot. Thanks for watching.